Are you tired of being interrupted by prompts while trying to automate your Ionic Cordova app builds in Jenkins? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to disable those pesky prompts during the prepare command. I completely understand your frustration. It can be really annoying when you're trying to streamline your build process, and unexpected prompts pop up asking if you want to update plugins. It disrupts your workflow and can slow down your automation. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that when they run the command Ionic Cordova prepare, they receive prompts asking if they want to update certain plugins. They want to know if there's a way to disable these prompts. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's happening here? When you run Ionic Cordova prepare, it checks for updates to your plugins and asks for your confirmation. This is great for manual builds, but not ideal for automated processes like Jenkins. Let's explore how to bypass these prompts. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your automation process even smoother. To disable the prompts during the Ionic Cordova prepare process, the user can use the flag called No Update Notifier. This flag will prevent the prompts from appearing. The user should modify their Jenkins command to include this flag. This will ensure that the prepare command runs without asking for updates. Additionally, if the user wants to ensure that no updates are applied during the prepare process, they can also use the No Plugins Update flag. So the complete command in Jenkins should look like this. This will automate the process without any interruptions. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Ionic was released back in 2013? It has come a long way since then, making mobile app development easier and more efficient. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the flag --no interactive. This flag disables all prompts during the Ionic Cordova prepare command, making it ideal for automation in CI/CD environments. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your plugins before running automated builds. This can save you from unexpected issues down the line. And there you have it. You can now automate your Ionic Cordova builds without those annoying prompts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments how your automation journey is going.